Hey, Natural Method YouTube. Does lifting your arm feel like an Olympic exercise? Do you get pain in your shoulder when you try to move your arm? If you're suffering from tendonitis in your shoulder, I'm going to show you how to get rid of the pain. Imagine how much better you will feel once you get your mobility back. Let's get started. Left hand pat onto your right shoulder, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Massage it downward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hands up in this position and stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you stretch to the tension point. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch in a circular motion. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you rotate, please make a large circular motion. 3, 4, 5. Hands in this position and shake up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake your hand from the wrist as fast as you can. 3, 4, 5. Extend your hand and shake again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are bending back enough, you will feel tension in your lower back. 3, 4, 5. Stretch upward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your time as you bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch it and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Both hands in this position and shake it forward and backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you stretch to the tension point. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch back and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Extend your hands and stretch back and hold it for another 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry. Bring your arms all the way back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And stretch back. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And drop your hands down. Don't forget to get your free case study on how I breathe better and get rid of congestion. Click here.